There's no news today, right? Yeah, there's no more news tomorrow. Okay, here we go. So maybe looking at euro. Let's see how this candle closes now. Okay, I'm going to enter euro. I'm going to give it a go. Stop loss 2.7 pips. Target to the daily open. Stop loss just below. So intentions there. Liquidity is there to target. Clear inducement low. Clear, clear beautiful real breaker structure.
Euro reversing again. What?
Nice, nice. Coming back to just mitigate one more time.
Come on, keep going, keep going.
Yeah, should be good now.
There you go.
Sorry if you got sorry if you got headphones on.
Should we move our stop loss now, break even?
Let me see. You can put your stop loss lower here. Put it like right below the low because we're not expecting price to go any lower than this. Put your stop loss at 0.7724. So expect this to be obviously the move of the day to come up higher. Look, it's just tapped into this this imbalance, hence why we're having the reaction. But this is clearly an SMT. Look, it's in alignment with the trend line, so we want to trade against that. So we need to give euro a bit of time. This is reacting off absolutely nothing. Just an imbalance. It's broken. Clear breaker structure higher. There's no reason for it to roll over here. So if anything, it will just pull back to close the imbalance to potentially to go higher.
Euro is like my wife. You have no idea what is going on. You have no idea what the problem is. What is her problem? Put cows in one.
The woman herself doesn't know what the problem is. So yeah, so this is kind of what I was expecting on the DXY when I said we came into the range highs. Obviously, look, we were rejected once. We're rejected twice. We're rejecting potentially for the third time.
I'm sweating like hell. It's not funny. Stress.
Come on, young boy. This is the game.
Young boy, come on. I'm the oldest one here. I got 2 positions. Oh, I got GBP as well.
We take some partials off.
Yeah, I'd take off about 60%.
60% from euro.
Are exactly at 1 to 5. And then hold the rest, maybe. We'll see if it comes up to that trend line. Because we don't know how whether this is a reversal. We don't know because of the range of DXY.
How high that's gonna go?
Yeah, look, DXY is obviously rejecting, which is great. But that could use short term to continue going higher. So we don't know if this would be the reversal. Look, this is already reacting off the SMT there. Again, this could roll over because obviously the last structural low is right there, right? Yes, we did induce low. We had a real breaker structure mitigation. We came into the SMT now, but the overall kind of shorter term trend is literally slightly bearish. So this is the main zone that we kind of want to watch. Euro looks decent. TP's basically been blasted, so we've hit just shy of 1 to 7 on that one. So that looks good.
Something like.
Yeah, it's probably going to keep going higher. That's why I said just leave that little bit on in case it does.
So where you think we should leave TP now?
We'll see once we've taken this high here. Right, who's taken profit?
I took a lot of profit.
Lovely. What's that? That's
yeah, I've got TP now.
So that's still mine's still running now. So we're at 1 to 8.5 right now. Wonderful. Profit's been taken from the people. So got a 1 to so euro. Obviously, some people entered GU as well. Yeah. Obviously,
yeah, I did.
So I didn't enter. Obviously, I just focused on the one. But yeah, we've got a beautiful other one here running here. But euro was the main, and it's still going. Look at those juicy ass candles there.
To be honest, I think I'm gonna close both. I got nice profit.
Yeah, stop this at break even. We've only got runners on, yeah. Has everyone been there? Everyone took it. It's quite a late already. Yeah, that's why it's reacting. Cool. You can close the full position if you want, guys.
I'm gonna wait a little bit more and I close it.
Because that's a literally a 1 to just shy of a 1 to 9. Excuse me. See, so this is exactly what I was saying about we want to see what it did when it comes here, because it swept this, blasted through, so stopped out all the sellers, and now we've only got just us. So yeah, it doesn't really matter right now. Look at this. This is why we've got to be mindful about taking profit at there. But this would have been a clean 1 to 5 anyway, and it's reacting off this. May come back, close the last imbalance, maybe continue higher, don't care. Maybe it will continue lower, don't care. We're already in, we're already out. The only thing that would be the only way that you could be greedy now is now try and trade more. 1 to 8 is more than enough in 15 minutes.